Hello students, good morning to all of you. Today we have the two numericals in which we need to find the charge and potential difference across each capacitor. Okay, the first we have circuit in which four resistors are connected in such a way with a battery of or with a supply of 300 volt, and another in which the five capacitance 1, 2, 3, 4 and 5 connected across a circuit with a potential of 100 volt. In the second we need to calculate also the energy across each capacitor. Okay, so first we will start solution number 1. Okay, now students, this we have the circuit in question number 1 in which this is capacitor C1, this is C2, this is C3 and this is C4. This circuit can be resolved as, if these are the point A and B, therefore we can resolve it like that. From point A this, in which this is C1, this is C2, this is C3 and this is point B and this point is C4. Clear? This is reduced to this circuit. Now you can easily observe here and this is the potential across the circuit is 300 volt. Now here first we have C2 and C3 in series, therefore C23 is equal to C2 into C3 upon C2 plus C3, which is equal to 200 into 200 upon 200 plus 200. Okay, then we get from here C23 is equal to 200 into 200 upon 400. Here these two zeros are cancelled and this is cancelled by 2 times, this cancelled by 100 times. Therefore you will get from here that C23 is equal to 100 picofarad. This we get the first situation. Then the circuit is reduced to like that, from point A to B, where this is C4, this is C23 and this is C1. Now you can easily observe here, now C1 and C23 in parallel. Okay, therefore Cp is equal to C1 plus C23, which you will get from here is 100 plus 100, that is Cp is equal to 200 picofarad. Okay, now this circuit is reduced to from point A to point B is C1 and Cp. Clear? Now the two are in series. Therefore C1 and Cp in series, that is CAB, which you called CS, which is equal to equivalent resistance, equivalent capacitor. So we use here only value of CE, which is equal to C1 Cp upon C1 plus Cp, that we get from here. C equivalent is equal to 100 into 200 upon 100 plus 200, which we calculate here 100 into 200 upon 300, that is the final result which we get for the equivalent capacitor is this 0 cancel, and this is 200 upon 3 picofarad. And now the circuit is reduced to A and B. C equivalent, which is 200 upon 3 picofarad, across a potential difference of 100 volt, of 300 volt. Okay, now this is first step, second step, third, and now this is the fourth step. Okay, now here we have to calculate the charge and potential difference across each capacitor. Clear? So this is the simplest situation, condition. Now we need to move from fourth to third to second to one to calculate the quantities in the question. Therefore, first we have the value of capacitor. C is equal to Q upon V. Okay. Now from here you will calculate that Q is equal to CV. Clear? Now first we calculate the charge in the circuit. Q equivalent equal to Q in the circuit is CV, which is equal to C is 200 upon 3 into picofarad, which is equal to 10 to the power minus 12 into 300. Now you find that this is cancelled by 100 times. This charge Q is equal to 2 into 10 to the power 4 minus 12 coulomb, that is Q is equal to 2 into 10 to the power minus 8 coulomb. This is the charge in the circuit. Here we calculate the charge is equal to 2 into 10 to the power minus 8 coulomb. This is actually QE, total charge in the circuit. Now the circuit is at third stage, second. Figure 3 or third situation, C1 and Cp in series. Therefore, charge Q1 equal to QP equal to this much, that is QE, which is equal to 2 into 10 to the power minus 8 coulomb. Now you will calculate from here charge Q1 is equal to 2 into 10 to the power minus 8 coulomb. This is the first case. Now need to calculate the potential across Q1. Therefore V1 is equal to, we have formula this, Q upon C1. Here we have 2 into 10 to the power minus 8 and the value of C1 is 1 minute, this is not C1, C4. C4, C4. Now this is C4, Q4 and this is 4. Therefore voltage across 4 and this is C4. Sorry, we just taken here, okay, in place of C4 is C1. That C4 is equal to 100 picofarad, that means 100 into 10 to the power minus 12. When you solve this, you will get V4 is equal to 2 into 10 to the power minus 8 into 10 to the power 100 cancel is 10, which means V4 is equal to 200 volt. Okay, therefore Vp is equal to V minus V4, which you will calculate from here, 300 minus 200, that is Vp is equal to 100 volt here. Okay, this potential is 100 volt. Now move to the next case. In second, C1 and C23 in parallel combination, and this circuit, we are discussing about this circuit which is equivalent to Cp. Okay, therefore Vp equal to V1 equal to V23, because in parallel combination the voltage across same. See, for these 2 points, if this capacitor use 200 volt and total we have the 300 volt, then 100 volt is move further across the 2, so it is equal to 100 volt. Okay, now Q1 is equal to C1 V1, which is C1 we have 100 into V1 we have 100 picofarad, which means 10 to the power minus 12 into this we have 100 and this will be in the coulomb. Therefore Q1 is equal to 10 to the power 4 minus 10 to the power 12 coulomb, which you get 10 to the power minus 8 coulomb. That is Q1 is equal to 1 into 10 to the power minus 8 coulomb. This is the charge across capacitor C1. Okay, now after this we are moving for the circuit 1. Okay, in circuit 1 we have V23 equal to 100 volt. Okay, and 2-3 in series, C2 and C3 in series. Therefore, and C2 equal to C3 equal to 200 picofarad, because both values of capacitor are same. Therefore, we find that the potential is equally distributed, which means V2 equal to V3 equal to V23 by 2. in series combination the potential will distribute, okay, as V1 plus V2, okay, and here the values are equal, therefore 100 upon 2, which means V2 equal to V3 equal to 50 volt. This is the distribution of voltage potential difference across C2 and C3. Now Q1 equal to Q2 because C1 and C2 in series. Therefore, we can calculate that Q1 equal to Q2 by any of the value of C1 or C2 into V1, V2 or V3, okay, that is C3 and V3. For any value you will calculate the result. Therefore Q1 equal to Q2 is equal to this value. C2 is 200 into 10 to the power minus 12 and V2 is 50. If you solve for this, C3 is 200 into 10 to the power minus 12 and V3 is 50. You will get the same result. So this will be 10,000 into 10 to the power minus 12 coulomb. This we get 2000 and 0 10,000. So Q1 equal to Q2 equal to 1 into 10 to the power minus 8 coulomb. So these are the value of individual capacitor charge and potential difference, okay, and this is how you can solve the numerical related to the distribution of charge and potential difference. This is finally Q1, Q2, Q3 from the situations are same, and Q4 is 2 into 10 to the power minus 8. Now V1 from here 100 volt, V2, V3 from here 50 volts, and V4 this we calculate here is 200 volt.